Looks pretty. Okay, Colleen, thank you. Well, in total money with tax season in full swing, your focus may be on meeting filing deadlines, but fraudsters are just as busy looking for ways to take advantage of unsuspecting taxpayers. Jen Burke from the Maine Credit Union League joins us now to explain why being aware of the potential scams, it is so crucial. Jen, we appreciate you coming in today.
Thank you.
As always. So what can you tell us about the common scams that happen during tax season?
Well, this time of year presents a golden opportunity for fraudsters because people are looking to find out other people's personal information. Sometimes they want to file claims on your behalf and take your returns. So because so many people are thinking about taxes, tax-related schemes are really common, which is why it's so important for consumers to know some of the red flags, raise awareness about the types of schemes that are taking place, and even more importantly, know how the IRS works.
Very important. So let's talk about some of those red flags and what to look out for.
So there are two really popular scams that are happening right now. The first being an IRS impersonation scheme. This is when someone will call and say they are a representative of the IRS. They're fishing for information, your social security number, your date of birth. Or they're going to call and say, you owe us back taxes and you need to pay us immediately. And typically they want payment via a gift card, cryptocurrency, or a wire transfer. So those are big red flags to be on the lookout for. There's also tax preparer fraud. So before you go to a tax preparer, make sure you do your homework and get somebody who is reputable in the business. If anyone is promising you this crazy return that sounds too good to be true, then chances are it is too good to be true.
Yeah, and then they have their hands on all of your information.
That's exactly it.
Yeah.
So I recommend that people file their taxes early. You want to get ahead of scammers because once you file your taxes, if anyone has your personal information, they can't go in and file again, so they can't get your return. If you're doing any tax prep, make sure you're not using public Wi-Fi. You want to make sure you're using secure passwords. Shred any old tax documents, anything with your social security number. If you're not keeping in a safe and secure place, shred it. And again, the big key here is to file your taxes early and monitor your accounts, because sometimes you might see something suspicious in a bank account or on a credit report. That could be a red flag that a bad guy has your information and could file on your behalf.
Yeah, it is that time of year. All right, Jen Burke from the Maine Credit Union League, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
And now here's a look at what else is coming up today on Channel 8.